Alright, dude. So, been working on this box. This guy has a 12 by 12 interior, 15 by 15 exterior. I made a false wall. It has holes in it, and it has two filter socks where you're going to put these guys in. I'm gonna give you two of these. So, let me show you how this works. I got 100 of them, so I'll just open it up. So, when you open it up, and dig it out, and you shake it, and you just want to lay it on something with the red end up for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes for it to warm up. And you'll think it's cold and it's not working, it's just the oxygen getting it ready. So whenever you get it in, I mean, this wall can be taken out or not, and then just put it right back in if you can't get to those socks correctly. But put the red end, the red stripe, towards the outside. And if you don't, it really doesn't matter, but that's just how it works. So I'm gonna put that down, put two in here. I have a whole pack heading to your house anyway, just in case we do this in the future. All right, so I'm sending these giant bags, these large ones. I'm also sending you small ones, but the large ones, they're so tall that you can, here I'll show you with this 20. So this is ice cream, but imagine this is your Zen Reef cup. Can't freaking find mine, but you have a whole bunch of them now. So say this is a lot bigger than the Zen Reef cup, but say this, throw it in the bag, even the Zen Reef cups. And I enjoy tying. Tying to me is awesome. All the way at the bottom, boom, done. And Zen Reef cups only need one bag, and you put it in. So obviously, that's why I like the long ones. You can cut it or you can not cut it, doesn't matter. As for your rocks and all that stuff, you know, I usually have a thicker piece of plastic, and I might have some that I'll send in there, but you just put it at the very bottom and then set your rock in. But if it has rock or anything jagged, do 3 or 4 of these, and then you put them in, and you take your coral, put it in upside down towards the bottom of the bag, then tie it. You cut it if you want, or just wrap it, and then do upside down to the bottom of the bag, and then just keep reversing. Because any edges are going to cut through that stuff with vibration. But if you put 4 or 5 bags on these, and these are like 4 millimeter thick, so you'll be golden there. See, it's still not warm. It just needs air. Okay, just in case you freak out and you don't know how to tie a bag, I'm putting a lot of rubber bands in there. These are awesome. They're made for banks and dollar bills. But this is what Rudy Batera says to use because they're great with these. So I'm going to throw these in. I might add a little bit more. You can fit a shitload of coral in here, a ton. So be prepared to throw all this in there. And then I'll make a video that I'll attach to this one of how to pack it up and send it. So good deal. It's pretty simple. Okay, update. I found 2 of these giant bags. These were very large coral. Now they are already double bagged in there, and I've leak tested them and cleaned them. So let me show you how this is done. So this is a very thick hardcore bag. So let's say we have a coral that is like this. You put it in this really thick bag as best as you can, and then obviously you lower it in. You can use rubber bands, or you can, but when you rubber band, you take bam, over top to the very bottom, then double up and go, very bottom, and then you flip it like this and grab it and bunch it, and then back over, and then back over, and back over until it gets tight. Obviously, you know, it ends up something like this. So, and then I just do that and pull it up. So that's how you do the large bags. I'm gonna send 2 of them. I leak tested them, but just in case, you know, I guess you'll find out quicker than I would. But yeah, that's what these bags are for, these little ones. Just to put anything with a rock or LPS that have hard edges. Just throw them there. So that's how that's done. Okay, so once you have all of your coral bagged up, you need to put it in this paper bag and then put the paper bag in, I'm kidding, plastic garbage bag. We're going to put it in the plastic garbage bag, obviously tie it up. Don't tie it with a tie. Actually wrap it up like this and tie it like that, because I don't trust ties to be watertight. So, and that'll go on this side. Obviously, you don't have to wrap it up over here, but that's just for water sake. And that's good. I slipped your label to me in the top. So that's where it's at. All right, don't be a fuckhead. So here's this. Oh, he is not happy. Take your slip. Put it in here. Put this down. And I'm doing it with one hand. This is garbage. There we go. Down. Done. This is going to be in the box. Go to FedEx. Drop off package.